IGAR South Committee Makada Operation Sadvavna ki manung channa kuntraum the Shiba Assam Rifles nasanba numitarani ki oiba National Integration Tour ki flagging ceremony New Keithelmanbi garrison na pangthokrai Assam Rifles na state asida puna kundaminari ba furup kanglup singi marakta nungsi chanana amadi ingna chikna lainabagi lambi asi yatli basida Governor Ajay Kumar Valana apen bafongdokrai National Integration Tour adu da sarukya ki ba Imphal Thobal None amadi Kangpopi district laiba tuan Furup ki Naha Kunmarina, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram, Kanyakumari amadi Mumbai da leiba sigi singtha ningai oiraba mafam sing da chatpagi khudong chaba fangki. Tour asigi ngasi pangthokiba flag-in ceremony aduga mari leinana Governor Valana Assam Rifles ki people centric oiba kanglu furup singi marakta nungsi chanaba amadi punna hingminnana bagi thodangbu thagatpa fongdoki. Loinana tour asida saruk yakiba members singna lamdam asibu nungsi chanana leihanna-bagi ambassador oiragani haibagi thazaba thamki. Thoramaduda Assam Rifles ki makok thongba official tour aduda saruk yakiba members singi mama mapa oiba singsu saruk yaki.
We are all Indians. Nobody recognizes us as a Naga or a Kuki or a district. There you are from Manipur. When we go abroad, we are from India. I may be from Punjab, but when I go abroad, I am from India. Same thing for you people. When you are abroad, you will be Indians. When you are in different parts of India, you are Manipuris. Within Manipur, yes, we have divided ourselves, but hopefully when we are developed, some of you, one person spoke very well. They could see the development. I would mention that this initiative of Assam Rifles need to be appreciated. You know, Honorable Prime Minister has an initiative called Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat, where idea is that people from one part of the country should be taken to other part of the country. This is being done with the students and other this thing also.